Hey guys, welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to lock and unlock your keyboard in Windows 11 or 10 or any Windows you have currently. So let's get started. This method works on any Windows 11, 10, 8, 8.1 or 7 or any other Windows you want. So make sure you stick till the end so you won't miss out the steps on of how to do this. In order to lock your keyboard, you just have to hold your right shift key for 8 seconds. Let me hold it. As you can see, I hold the right shift key for 8 seconds. So this is asking me to turn on filter keys. As you can see right now, I can type here, but once I click yes here, and as you can see, I'm typing and still nothing is typing here and your keyboard is locked. Now how to unlock your keyboard? Just repeat the same process. Hold the right shift key for 8 seconds again, and once you hear this sound, now just try your keyboard. As you can see, I can write again. So this is how you can lock or unlock your keyboard in Windows 11 or any other Windows you like. So yes, this was it for today's video. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, comment down below, and thanks for watching.